Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Nissan Navara STR dual cab ute, stock reference number 5826. This shape runs from the first month 2007 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left power door mirror in chrome, left rear door has one large dent and light wobbles. Rhino-Rack roof racks with a King's awning. Factory sports bar with all bolts and brackets. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, factory fitted tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 3 dents. Right front door has 4 dents. Right power door mirror in chrome. Right guard flared type, no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior, manual 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, aftermarket Sony touchscreen media player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, and rear seat and headrests.